Welcome back, guys. So this is our hosting panel. So we are going to try and host our first website. This is how we are going to install WordPress on our CPanel. So this is what the CPanel is called, and what you have to do is just look for the file management system. So we have auto installer. We are going to use this Softaculous auto installer to install WordPress, and we have WordPress manager here. We are not going to use the WordPress manager. We are not going to use all these. So what we have to do is just come to Softaculous apps installer. So we have WordPress right here. So all you have to do is to install WordPress. I'll click on WordPress to install WordPress on our CPanel. So as you can see, it says WordPress. You can install WordPress right here. So I'm going to install WordPress straight away, and you can manage, you can do all this, but let's install WordPress straight away since WordPress is what we want to install on our CPanel. And these are our CPanel right here. So it says beloved love web.webhosting.io, and you can install quickly. And this is a directory. You have to leave this directory empty, because if you don't leave it empty, if you put wp for an instance, it's going to have www.belovedloveweb.webhostingfree.io/wp. so this has to be empty because you don't need that for your website. All we need is just this, because when you add wp, this is what your domain name will be, /wp. So we have to remove it so we don't have the slash, so it's going to be empty. And now you can have your site name right here. We can say beloved love the web right here, beloved love the web. So that's our website name, that's our site name. And you can give it a description. If you like, give it a description. If you like, don't. I'm not going to give it a description right here. You can set up your admin accounts if you want it. I'm going to use Billard Ashans as the admin username. Billard Ashans. Just remember this. I'm going to use a very simple password, but don't use a simple password when you're doing yours. 5678. So I'll use that simple password, and this is our admin email address. It says admin@belovedweb.webhosting.io. So I can change this admin email address to like aipsds@gmail.com. Yeah, so we are going to use this, and choose your language, English. Leave all this alone. You don't have business with all these. And we are going to select plugins or theme sets. Just leave all these alone, and I'm going to install this WordPress. And as you can see, it's submitting our data already. That's how to install WordPress on your CPanel. I hope to see you in the next video, where we are going to try and export our website from our local host to the CPanel website we just installed. As you can see, it says WordPress has been successfully installed at beloved web hosting service. So let's come here and see the WordPress that has been installed, and this is the admin. You can easily go to the admin this way, and we hope the installation process was easy. So we don't need all these. We've installed our WordPress website at first on our CPanel. So this is another email from HostKing, and this email carries the details to our panel. So it's just like when you buy an hosting service, you have an email like this that says login details to your admin panel. So your control panel, your CPanel, is right here. Once you click on this website, it takes you to your CPanel. And when you're trying to link a domain name from another registrar, this is what you will use. As you can see, NSO.1. So these two things are the things you will use. We are not going to talk about that. You can explore it yourself. When you get a domain name and you get an hosting service, but you got the domain name from another registrar, you can easily connect them together with this name server record. So just take note of this. So these are the things you need to know when you get an hosting service and a domain name. We are going to have our WordPress on our CPanel right here. As you can see, it takes us to the website dashboard, and this is the website right here. So all we have to do is just import our website back here on our CPanel, and we're going to do that in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this very one. I hope to see you in the next video. See you there.